Serving southern New Mexico, this is the award-winning KRWG-TV News 22, where news matters.
A dog is a man's best friend, and it's hard when you can't get your best friends the medical care they need. News 22's Cera Moots has more details on the veterinary shortage in Las Cruces and what's being done about it.
Las Cruces resident Dawn Duncan loves her dog Fergus.
Yeah.
The two have been together for 8 years.
Cookies.
Dawn, like many pet owners, knows the feeling. When your furry friend starts acting sick in the middle of the night and you need to rush them to the hospital.
And Barney walks with
But for pet owners in Las Cruces, a quick trip to emergency services, 24 hours a day and 7 days a week, is not always available.
We're experiencing a shortage of veterinarians, and almost nobody offers emergency services.
After Dawn Duncan's dog almost died, she decided something needed to be done.
When my dog Fergus almost died bleeding out after surgery the next day, it was a Saturday, and I had to rush him to El Paso, I became aware that we do not have 24/7 emergency care. And I thought, okay, that is not okay. We need to change that.
Dawn, along with members of the community, started the Animal Companionship of Las Cruces, and their mission? To get their pets the care they deserve. They do this through donations, recruiting new vets, and fundraisers. The most recent one featuring a silent auction
If you want a bid, start bidding now.
and movie showing. The Animal Companionship of Las Cruces is working relentlessly to bring these 24/7 emergency services to the city of Cruces, and now they're asking for the community's help.
Come to our website, animalcompanionsoflascruces.org. Join us. Donate. Let us know if you want to be a volunteer.
Oh, are you a big jumper?
News 22, Cera Moots.
Go outside.
Serving southern New Mexico, this is the award-winning KRWG-TV News 22, where news matters.